How do I JTAG my Xbox 360 using a USB?
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of Xbox 360 modding by discussing how you can JTAG your console using a simple USB. This process allows for modification of the console's firmware to run unsigned code. Please note, modifying your console in this way can void your warranty and may be against the terms of service of Xbox Live. Always proceed with caution.
What is JTAG?
Before we start, it's essential to understand what JTAG is. JTAG, which stands for Joint Test Action Group, is a standard for testing PCBs, printed circuit boards, but can be used in our context to modify the Xbox 360's NAND, enabling us to run unsigned code.
Prerequisites.
Before getting started, ensure you have the following. 1. A compatible Xbox 360 model. Not all Xbox 360s can be JTAGed. Typically, consoles manufactured before June 2009 are compatible. 2. A USB drive. This will be used to transfer some essential files to the Xbox. 3. XEX menu. This is an application that will help us run and manage the unsigned code. 4. JTAG tool software. This software will assist in the flashing process.
Preparing your USB.
1. Plug the USB drive into your computer. 2. Format the USB drive to FAT32. This ensures it's readable by the Xbox 360. 3. Copy the XEX menu and any other necessary files to the USB drive.
Starting the JTAG process.
1. Insert the USB into the Xbox 360. 2. Navigate to the System tab on the Xbox 360 dashboard, then Memory. 3. From here, you'll see the USB drive. Transfer the XEX menu to the Xbox 360's internal storage. 4. Start the XEX menu from the Xbox dashboard.
Flashing the NAND.
1. Within the XEX menu, find the JTAG tool software. 2. Run the tool and follow the on-screen instructions to flash the NAND. This is the crucial step where the Xbox's firmware is modified. 3. Once completed, your Xbox should now be JTAGed and ready to run unsigned code. Congratulations! You've just JTAGed your Xbox 360 using a USB. Remember always to be cautious when running unsigned code, as this can potentially harm your console. Also, remember that this might ban your Xbox from online services. We hope this guide was helpful, and happy gaming!